Plant FAQs. Alocasia Nebula Imperialis. Alocasia Nebula Imperialis. Unveiling the majesty of the nebula. Greetings, plant enthusiasts. I'm Ferb Vu, and today, we delve into the captivating world of the Alocasia Nebula Imperialis. This stunning aeroid boasts an otherworldly beauty that has captivated collectors worldwide. But beyond its mesmerizing appearance, the Nebula Imperialis presents a unique set of challenges. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about caring for this regal houseplant. See more 90 species in genus Alocasia, elephant ears at monsterholic.com. What is an Alocasia Nebula Imperialis? The Alocasia Nebula Imperialis is a rare and coveted cultivar within the Alocasia genus. It's believed to be a hybrid, with its exact origins shrouded in mystery. This aeroid is prized for its dramatic foliage. Imagine thick, arrowhead-shaped leaves adorned with a mesmerizing interplay of colors. The base boasts a deep, almost black shade, while the veins are a stark contrast of dark gray. The real magic lies in the overlay, a silvery sheen that evokes a nebula in the night sky, hence the apt name. Is the Alocasia Nebula Imperialis easy to care for? Here's the truth. The Alocasia Nebula Imperialis is not for the faint of heart. It thrives in a specific environment and demands a watchful eye. Compared to its hardier Alocasia cousins like the ever-popular poly, the Nebula Imperialis requires a bit more TLC. But fear not. With proper care, you can cultivate this majestic plant and witness its breathtaking growth. Light requirements. Unveiling the sun's secrets. Imagine a tropical rainforest floor dappled with sunlight. That's the ideal light situation for your Nebula Imperialis. Avoid harsh, direct sunlight, which can scorch the delicate leaves. Opt for bright, indirect light. Think near an east-facing window or filtered light through sheer curtains. Remember, insufficient light can lead to leggy growth, so finding the perfect balance is key. Watering needs. Finding the aqua equilibrium. Finding the watering sweet spot is crucial for the Alocasia Nebula Imperialis. Unlike cacti that thrive on neglect, this plant dislikes both underwatering and overwatering. Aim for consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Here's a trick. Stick your finger into the potting mix. If the top inch feels dry, it's watering time. Remember, underwatering can cause wilting and crispy leaves, while overwatering leads to root rot, a silent killer of many houseplants. Humidity, recreating a tropical paradise. The Alocasia Nebula Imperialis hails from the humid tropics. Replicating this environment indoors is essential for its success. Ideally, aim for a humidity level above 60%. Grouping plants together or using a humidifier can help achieve this. If your home tends to be on the dry side, consider placing your Nebula Imperialis on a pebble tray filled with water. The evaporating water will create a mini-humid microclimate around the plant. Temperature. Keeping your Imperialis toasty. Think tropical warmth. The Alocasia Nebula Imperialis thrives in temperatures between 68 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 to 27 degrees Celsius. Avoid exposing it to sudden temperature fluctuations or cold drafts. Remember, these aeroids are not frost-tolerant, so keep them away from drafty windows or air conditioners. Soil preference, the foundation for growth. For your Nebula Imperialis, a well-draining, airy potting mix is paramount. Opt for a blend specifically formulated for aeroids or create your own. A good ratio is a combination of potting soil, perlite, and orchid bark. This combination allows for proper drainage while retaining enough moisture for the plant's needs. Fertilization, feeding the majesty. During the active growing season, spring and summer, you can provide your Alocasia Nebula Imperialis with a balanced liquid fertilizer diluted to half strength. Apply it once a month, following the instructions on the fertilizer packaging. However, avoid over-fertilizing, as this can damage the delicate roots. During the winter months, when growth slows, feeding is not necessary. Repotting, when the Imperialis demands more space. As your Alocasia Nebula Imperialis matures, it will eventually outgrow its current pot. Signs that it needs repotting include roots circling the pot or the plant becoming top-heavy. When repotting, choose a container only slightly larger than the previous one. Repotting during spring is ideal, and ensure you use fresh potting mix to prevent root rot. Common problems and solutions. Keeping your Imperialis healthy. Brown spots on leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, sunburn, or fungal diseases. Adjust your watering schedule and ensure proper light conditions. For fungal issues, a fungicide might be necessary. Drooping leaves. This often indicates underwatering. Check the soil moisture and adjust your watering routine. Pests. Alocasia nebula imperialis can be susceptible to mealybugs, spider mites, and scale. Regularly inspect your plant and treat infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Yellowing leaves. This could be a sign of overwatering, lack of light, or nutrient deficiency. Toxicity. Be aware, the Alocasia nebula imperialis, like many alocasias, is toxic if ingested. Keep it out of reach of children and pets. Propagation. Sharing the majesty. Propagating your Alocasia nebula imperialis allows you to share its beauty or create backups. Here are 2 common methods. Division. During repotting, if your plant has multiple stems, pups, growing from the base, you can carefully separate them, ensuring each division has healthy roots. Pot them up individually in appropriate-sized containers. Corm propagation. Mature Alocasia nebula imperialis can develop corms, bulb-like structures, at the base. If present, you can carefully remove them during repotting. Plant the corms in a shallow pot with well-draining mix, keeping the top slightly exposed. With proper care, new growth should emerge in due time. Alocasia nebula imperialis versus other Alocasia varieties. While the Alocasia nebula imperialis steals the show with its dramatic foliage, there are other beautiful and easier to care for Alocasia varieties to consider. Here's a quick comparison. Alocasia poly. This popular choice boasts large, glossy green leaves and is known for its resilience. It thrives in a wider range of light conditions and requires less humidity compared to the Nebula imperialis. Alocasia zebrina. This stunning aroid features dark green leaves adorned with prominent silver veins. While it also prefers bright, indirect light and enjoys humidity, it's generally more forgiving than the Nebula imperialis when it comes to watering schedules. Alocasia cuprea. Often called the red secret, this variety offers a unique visual experience with its coppery red undersides of the leaves. It has similar care requirements to the Alocasia poly, making it a good choice for beginners. Conclusion. Embrace the majesty. The Alocasia nebula imperialis is a captivating houseplant that rewards dedicated care with its breathtaking beauty. By understanding its specific needs for light, water, humidity, and temperature, you can cultivate a thriving specimen and witness its majestic foliage unfurl. So, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey with the Nebula imperialis? Remember, with patience and the right approach, you can successfully house this regal aroid and add a touch of the tropics to your indoor haven.